Hello, I'm Christine from Pointel's Shoe Insert Shapers that prevent bending and creasing on pointed toe shoes. And today I'm here to talk about one of my favorite pointed toe shoes that will probably become one of your most favorite types of shoes too. And that is the kitten heel. So what are kitten heels? If you don't know what they are usually a pointed toe, and they have a very small but feminine heel. Now, if you really are into wearing stilettos or heels that are 3 inches or higher because you want to be taller, then these won't help you out. I know a lot of women wear really high heels because they want to be taller. However, these are the best shoes. Why? They come in very fancy. This is the only pair I have that when I was looking in my closet, I was like, oh my God, I only have one pair, and these are quite old, as you can see, so I have to have more. So I was buying lots of flats before the lockdown and all that. But now, and I wasn't going to work. I still work mostly from home. I have a full-time regular job in a lab, but I can actually wear whatever I want to this lab. It's a scientific lab, but anyway, I digress. So we will not talk about that right now. But the reason I love kitten heels is because they are both sexy, feminine, but most of all, they are practical. You can run around in these because of this little heel. You can stand for hours on end. They won't hurt your ankles from being at this really high, angle right here. They don't hurt the ball of your foot because you don't have any real pressure on the ball of your feet. You can get them wide enough because these are the pointed toe, but they're so comfortable. And that is my biggest thing with them. You can wear these, not these particularly, but you can wear fancy ones with jeans. You can wear them with regular dresses, skirts, basically whatever you want. Just mix things up. And this is a very short video. All I'm really going to say is how fabulous these are. I read some article once where it was a blog actually, where someone was complaining like, why put a pebble under a shoe? What's the point? Like she compared this to a pebble. Well, it's not a pebble. It's a cross between a flat and a high heel stiletto shoe that is both sexy, feminine, and practical. That's what's so great. You can run around in these, meaning, you don't have to be all dainty, my feet hurt and I can't do that because I'm in heels. And they won't hurt the ball of your feet, and they won't hurt your ankles from being at that high trajectory and how that throws your whole body off. So that's all I have to say today. Aren't they the most fabulous things? And now I know that I need to buy more shoes. Most of the shoes I find that I love that are pointed toe kitten heels are over $300, and that doesn't fit my budget right now. So I just love shoes, but especially a gorgeous kitten heel. So anyway, that's all for today. And if you do have pointed toed shoes and want to prevent bending and creasing right here, visit my website, www.pointelles.com. That's all for now. See you later.